Did you know you can launch a professional WordPress website in just minutes without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install the Astra theme, import a starter template, and instantly turn a blank WordPress site into a fully designed website that's ready to go live. And if you're completely new to this, don't worry. I already have a full video where we build a website from scratch, from buying your hosting and domain, to installing WordPress, designing your site, and even creating a professional email address. You can watch that anytime. Just click the card popping up now. This video is the perfect next step to level up your website. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Install Astra Theme. Let's begin with a quick explanation of Astra themes. Astra is one of the most popular and lightweight WordPress themes, known for its speed, flexibility, and ease of use. It comes with hundreds of starter templates you can import in one click, and it works seamlessly with page builders like Elementor and Beaver Builder. Astra is also WooCommerce ready, SEO friendly, and highly customizable, making it a perfect choice whether you're creating a blog, portfolio, online store, or business website. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance and click on Themes. Then click Add New at the top, and in the search bar, type Astra. Once you locate the Astra theme, click Install, then Activate. After activation, you'll be prompted to install a starter template. Step 2. Import starter template. Click Install starter templates to continue. You'll then be asked how you want to build your website. Two options appear: an AI website builder if you prefer an AI-generated design, or a classic starter template, which is the one we'll use. Select the classic starter template by clicking Build with Template. I'll choose Elementor as my builder, but you can select whichever tool you prefer. You'll see different categories like business, local business, personal care, and more. Pick whichever suits your needs. In this case, I'll choose Professional and then click Web Designer. Next, I'll select a web design portfolio and install it as my starter template. You can also upload your logo by clicking Upload Files and selecting your logo file from your computer. From here, you can adjust the logo's width. Now pick your site's default color palette. I'll go with the second palette in the second row. After that, select the fonts you'd like. I'm choosing Poppins and L. Then press Continue. The next screen asks you to enable extra features, but we won't need them at this moment. We can always add them later, so click Skip this step. In the final step of installing the starter template, fill in the required fields with your first name and work email. You'll also need to indicate your experience level: beginner, intermediate, or expert. Then specify whether you're creating the site for your company or a client. Finally, check the box that says Understand, then click Submit and Build My Website. The starter template will now import into your site. Once the process is complete, click View Your Website. As you can see, the template has been successfully added to WordPress. Instantly, you have a complete professional-looking website. The images display correctly, the content is in place, and additional elements such as web design services and various buttons are ready to be customized. There's also an FAQ section, and the footer is neatly set at the bottom. Let's scroll back up and visit other pages. For instance, clicking on About Us brings you to a page filled with content. Explore as many pages as you want. You can edit, update, or delete them whenever you like. Having these ready-made templates is a huge advantage when starting with WordPress. And just like that, your WordPress site is live with a beautiful, fully customizable design, all set up in just a few steps. Now it's your turn to explore the pages, tweak the content, and make it truly yours. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy WordPress and website tutorials, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover specific tools or plugins in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.